Hey, this is Yogeshkumar. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology, CCNA, Cisco Certified Networking Associate, Routers and Switches, in which we have various protocols, RIP, Routing Information Protocol, has version 1 and version 2. And then we have IGRP, Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. Then another version is EIGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. Then we have OSPF, Open Shortest Path First Protocol. In CCNP, Cisco Certified Networking Professional, we have BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, and we have CCIE, various labs. These are connected with telephone line, wider area network, etc. I will give you more information later. Thanking